Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple, a popular platform for investing in Canada. But before you jump in and start building your portfolio, there's a crucial question you might have. Can you actually move your money around within Wealthsimple, and if so, how? Let's face it, flexibility is key when it comes to managing your finances. Whether you're separating funds for different investment goals, topping up your emergency savings, or simply want to withdraw some cash, knowing your transfer options is essential. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about transferring funds within Wealthsimple, from internal shuffles between accounts to bringing your investments over from another institution. First things first, let's address the big question: can you transfer funds within Wealthsimple? Absolutely. Wealthsimple allows you to move your cash balance between most of their account types. This includes self-directed investing accounts, managed investing accounts, like their robo-advisor service, cash accounts, and even their save accounts. Think a high-interest savings option. Here's the beauty of it: transferring between these internal accounts is typically a quick and easy process. You can usually do it directly through the Wealthsimple app or website. No need to involve any external institutions or wait for lengthy processing times. Now, what about those situations where you want to bring your existing investments from another brokerage or bank into Wealthsimple? This is where account transfers come into play. Wealthsimple offers what they call institutional account transfers. Basically, you initiate a transfer request, and Wealthsimple works with your other financial institution to move your investments over. There are two main ways you can do an account transfer. In-cash transfer. This option involves selling all your existing holdings in the other account, converting them to cash, and then transferring that cash to Wealthsimple. It's a straightforward approach, but keep in mind that selling your investments might trigger capital gains taxes depending on your situation. In-kind transfer. This is where things get a bit more interesting. With an in-kind transfer, you actually move your existing securities, like stocks, ETFs, over to Wealthsimple as is. This means you avoid any selling and potentially avoid those capital gains taxes. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Wealthsimple only supports transfers from Canadian institutions, and they don't accept fractional shares or certain types of securities like dual-listed ones. Alright, so we've established that you can definitely move money around within Wealthsimple, both internally between accounts and through external account transfers. But before you get trigger-happy with those transfer buttons, there are a few things to consider. Account restrictions. Some Wealthsimple accounts, particularly registered accounts like TFSAs and RRSPs, might have limitations on how often you can transfer funds in or out. It's always a good idea to check the specific rules for your account type before initiating any transfers. Settlement periods. Keep in mind that there might be a slight delay between when you initiate a transfer and when the funds actually appear in your Wealthsimple account. This is because trades need to settle and any necessary paperwork needs to be processed. Transfer fees. While internal transfers between Wealthsimple accounts are typically free, there might be fees associated with external account transfers. These fees can vary depending on the departing financial institution, so be sure to check beforehand to avoid any surprises. Ultimately, the ability to transfer funds within Wealthsimple offers great flexibility for managing your investments. Whether you're consolidating accounts, rebalancing your portfolio, or simply want to access some cash, knowing your transfer options empowers you to make informed decisions. Of course, if you're new to investing or unsure about which transfer option is right for you, Wealthsimple has a wealth of resources available, pun intended. Their help center is a great starting point, and they even offer customer support to answer any specific questions you might have. So, that's it for today's video. I hope this has shed some light on transferring funds within Wealthsimple. Remember, investing involves inherent risks, so always do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.